Hey Chad, it's Mark at Taylor & Son Chevrolet shooting a video for you on our 2014 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. This is a Sahara. It's in hydro blue. I'll give you a shot of the 3.6 liter motor. I just did a complete walk around of this vehicle and I couldn't find any dings, except there is one interior door ding that I'll show you. It's very minor. No, otherwise I don't see any scratches. Glass is all good. Paint looks great. New tires. No signs of mag chloride staining or corrosion on the wheels. This is the front right. Running boards look great. Got privacy glass in the back. This is the right rear tire. This vehicle has not been lifted. It's got nice big tires on it, but it has not been lifted. It's a two-owner. The second owner was one of our service techs. The vehicle's been well cared for. He just wanted to get something a little bit fancier for his family. He got an Acadia. Needs changed a bit, but it's been a local vehicle too. It was originally titled in Bonner's Ferry and then down here in Sandpoint. Seat leather looks great. It's got the carpeted Jeep mats, but I see in the back it also has a full set of WeatherTech mats too. So it's got the all-weather mats. This vehicle has navigation. Again, back seat doesn't even look like it's hardly been sat in. Leather looks really good. This vehicle does have some warranty left on it. It's got some factory warranty. The bumper to bumper has expired, but it has about 36,000 miles left on the powertrain. So it's 36,000 miles roughly left on the powertrain, or until July 7th of 2019. Also, there are extended service contracts available that actually would renew the bumper to bumper warranty. And Amanda, our business manager, can tell you all about that. It's got the tow hitch. This is the left tire and wheel. Let me open up the back for you here too. So there's a shot of the back. Some wear here, looks like some scratches. Otherwise it does, like I said, it's got the nice WeatherTech mat. And I'll show you that one door ding I found. I don't know if it's going to be visible, but it's right here on the door, on the driver door. Otherwise, exceptional condition. Driver seat bolster looks great. Sill looks excellent. The top looks really good. There you have it. I'm going to get this video into Lauren. She'll get it uploaded and over to you. And then we'll follow up with a phone call, see if you have any additional questions, and also just make sure that you receive the video. All right, thanks for looking, chat.